Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and his companions got in Makkah Mukarramah, the polytheists said to one another, "Those people have come to you whom the favor of Yasrib, we say Medina Munawwara, has emaciated." Keeping it in view, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded the Muslims to move startlingly with quick steps during first three circuits and walk with normal speed between the two pillars, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not command them to move startlingly with quick steps during all the circuits because of his being affectionate to the Muslims. The other reporter of Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu adds, when the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got in during the year of peace accord, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam commanded the Muslims to move startlingly with quick steps so that the polytheists should observe their might, and then the people were standing in front of Mount Qayqiyan. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4256.